Imagine a world where heroes can fly into burning buildings, save lives, and put out fires without putting themselves in danger. Sounds like science fiction, but the future is here. Welcome to Tuesday Tech Bytes by EmbeddedBrew, where we dive into groundbreaking innovations that is shaping the world. Today we are exploring an extraordinary development that is set to revolutionize firefighting. Stay tuned as we uncover the Dragon Firefighter. Firefighting has always been one of the most dangerous jobs in the world. The bravery and dedication of firefighters are unparalleled, but the risks they face are immense. Here enters the Dragon Firefighting Robot, a cutting-edge innovation designed to fight with fires from a distance, reducing the risk to human life while increasing efficiency and effectiveness. Traditional firefighting methods involve significant danger, with firefighters often exposed to extreme heat, toxic smoke, and collapsing structures. Traditional firefighting methods involve significant danger, but in urban areas, specifically in these high-rise buildings, these risks are increased. The Dragon Firefighter addresses these challenges head-on by providing a remote-controlled and aerial solution to combat fire. Let's dive into the specifics of this remarkable technology. The Dragon Firefighter is equipped with state-of-the-art sensors, cameras, and firefighting tools. Its robust design allows it to fly directly into the heart of a fire, assessing the solution in real time and deploying appropriate measures to control and extinguish the flames. Now let's discuss some of the key features and capabilities of this incredible robot. The robot can be remotely operated by trained personnel, ensuring precise maneuverability even in the most hazardous environments. It also boasts autonomous features, allowing it to navigate and perform tasks without constant human intervention. Equipped with advanced cameras, the Dragon provides live video feeds, giving operators a clear view of the fire scene. This real-time data is crucial for making informed decisions on the fly. The robot is armed with various firefighting tools, including water jets, foam dispensers, and even dry chemical agents. Its versatility ensures it can tackle different types of fires effectively. It is equipped with thermal cameras that help the robot detect hotspots of fire and track the spread of the fire, providing invaluable information to firefighters on the ground. This Dragon Firefighter has already been tested in various scenarios, from industrial fires to urban firefighting operations. Its ability to access hard-to-reach areas such as upper floors of skyscrapers or the interiors of large warehouses makes it an indispensable tool for modern firefighting teams. Several case studies highlight the effectiveness of the Dragon Firefighter. In one instance, the robot successfully contained a fire in a chemical plant, preventing a potential explosion and saving countless lives. In another, it provided crucial support in a high-rise building fire, allowing firefighters to focus on evacuation efforts while the robot tackled the flames. Future of this firefighting robot is quite bright. Ongoing research and development aim to enhance its capabilities even further by including improved AI for better decision making and more robust materials for increased durability and even greater autonomy for complex firefighting missions. The Dragon Firefighter robot represents a significant leap forward in the firefighting technology. By combining cutting-edge robotics, advanced sensors, and powerful firefighting tools, it offers a safer and more efficient way to combat fires. As this technology continues to evolve, we can expect even greater advancements that will redefine the future of firefighting. Well, thank you for joining us in this episode of Tuesday Tech Bytes by EmbeddedBrew. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit on that like button, share it with your friends, let the knowledge spread to everyone and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And you can check out the blog with references in our website, and don't forget to hit on that subscribe button so that whenever I will upload a new video, you can get the instant notification. See you in the next one. Till then, be cool, walk smart.